My dear students, welcome to Karnataka Learning Management System. Myself, Suguna HG, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, GFGC and PG Center, Chintamani, Chikkaballapur District. In this video, I am going to present you BSc Mathematics Paper 2, Session 34, Method of Finding the Envelope of the Family of Polar Curves and Special Case Problems. First, let us discuss the working rule to find envelopes of polar curves and special cases. Then we work out problems. Now, working rule. If the equation of the family of curves is in polar form, that is f of r, theta, alpha is equal to 0, then to obtain the envelope of the equation, we have to differentiate this given equation with respect to alpha, that is dou by dou alpha of f of r, theta, alpha. See, this is the derivative of f of r, theta, alpha is equal to 0 with respect to alpha. Then we have to eliminate alpha between f of r, theta, alpha is equal to 0 and dou by dou alpha of f of r, theta, alpha is equal to 0. See, every family of curves need not to have an envelope. Only few curves will have envelopes. For example, x minus alpha whole square plus y square is equal to 1 if you take, where alpha is a parameter, and differentiate this equation with respect to alpha. So we get minus 2 of x minus alpha is equal to 2 alpha. Now cancelling 2 and simplifying this alpha also get cancels. So we get x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 is the equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, it is highly impossible to eliminate alpha. So the curve x minus alpha whole square plus y square is equal to 1 has no envelope. So every family of curve need not to have an envelope. Then the special case. Suppose if f of x, y, alpha is of the form a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the functions of x and y. See, it is in the quadratic form, that is a alpha square plus b alpha plus c. And when you differentiate this equation with respect to alpha, we get alpha square derivative is 2 alpha, that is 2a alpha plus b alpha derivative is b. Derivative of c is 0, hence 2a alpha plus b is equal to 0 we get. Now equate this equation to alpha. So alpha will be equal to minus b by 2a. So this is the value of alpha. Now substituting the equation 2, let us take this as equation 2. In the above equation, we get a into alpha square means minus b by 2a whole square. So we get a of minus b by 2a whole square plus b of minus b by 2a plus c. By simplifying this equation, which reduces to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this is the required envelope of the family. See, because we have taken alpha as a parameter. So after differentiating, see, we get alpha is equal to minus b by a, and by substituting this in the equation 1, we get b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is the required envelope of the family. Now based on these two cases, let us work out problems. Find the envelope of the family of the ellipses x is equal to a sine of theta minus alpha and y is equal to b cos theta, where alpha is a parameter. Solution. Let us take up the given equations as it is, that is x is equal to a sine into theta minus alpha and y is equal to b cos theta, where alpha is a parameter. Now let us take the first equation, that is x is equal to a sine of theta minus alpha, and simplify this. Transfer a to this side, so we get x by a is equal to sine of theta minus alpha. Now see, sine of theta minus alpha is in the form of sine of a minus b. Sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So by using that result, when we expand sine of theta minus alpha, we get it as sine theta cos alpha minus cos theta sine alpha. Now let us take this sine theta in terms of cos theta. We have the trigonometric identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Hence sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta we get. So we want sine theta, hence sine theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta whole to the power of half. Let us substitute that. See, in the place of sine theta, we have taken 1 minus cos square theta whole to the power of half, and take this cos alpha as it is minus cos theta sine alpha also as it is. Now substitute for cos theta from the second equation. Y is equal to b cos theta we have. Hence cos theta is equal to y by b. Cos square theta means y square by b square, and here also substitute for cos theta. See, in this equation we are substituting for cos theta from the second given equation, that is cos theta is equal to y by b. Hence this equation becomes x by a, that is the LHS, is equal to 1 minus y square by b square. See, that is the value of cos square theta whole to the power of half cos alpha minus y by b sin alpha. This y by b is nothing but cos theta. Now further differentiating this equation. So let us consider this equation as 1, and now differentiate this equation with respect to the parameter alpha. Now see, in this equation we have to differentiate only cos alpha and sin alpha, because partially when you differentiate with respect to alpha, y, b becomes constants. Even x is also constant. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to alpha, that is derivative of x by a is 0. The derivative of 1 minus y square by b square whole to the power of half into cos alpha is equal to 1 minus y square by b square whole to the power of half into minus sin alpha minus y by b, again it is a constant, so y by b cos alpha. Now by squaring and adding the equation 1 and 2, so just square both the equations, because we have 1 minus y square by b square whole to the power of half. So to reduce this, let us square both sides, both equations. See, when you square and add both the equations, you get ax square by a square is equal to 1 minus y square by b square plus y square by b square. See, when you square and add, that is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1, that formula we are using here. So when you square and add, these terms vanishes, so the equation reduces to x square by a square is equal to 1 minus y square by b square plus y square by b square. So this y square by b square and this y square by b square cancels, hence x square by a square is equal to 1. Now this is nothing but x square is equal to a square, hence x is equal to plus or minus a is the required envelope. Problem 2, it is on special case. Find the envelope of the family of straight line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where the two parameters a, b are connected by the relation a plus b is equal to c, c being a constant. So to work out this one, let us consider the given curve, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now from the data we have a plus b is equal to c, hence b is equal to c minus a. Now let us substitute this b is equal to c minus a in the given equation. We get x by a plus y by c minus a is equal to 1. This contains now parameter. See, we have used the data given, that is a plus b is equal to c, and we equated b is equal to c minus a and substituted b value in the above equation. Hence, the above equation becomes x by a plus y by c minus a is equal to 1, which contains only one parameter. So, that parameter is a. C being a constant, so a is a parameter. Now, this equation can be written as c minus a, means we have taken LCM and simplified. C minus a into x plus, this equation can be written as c minus a into x plus ay is equal to a into c minus a. Transfer a into c minus a to this side and simplify. So, we get a square plus y minus x minus c into a plus cx is equal to 0. Now, the above equation is in the form of a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, here a value is equal to 1, b value is equal to y minus x minus c, and c is equal to cx. See, we have the envelope for a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0 is b square minus 4ac. Now, let us take the equation and substitute the value of a, b, c in this one. So, we get y minus x minus c whole square minus 4cx is equal to 0. This is the required envelope of the given line. So, you can work out some problems based on this drill sums. Find the envelope of the family of curves x cos cube theta plus y sin cube theta is equal to c, where c is the parameter. And second problem, find the envelope of family of straight lines x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where two parameters a, b are connected by a to the power of n plus b to the power of n is equal to c to the power of n, and c being a constant.